And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what you can see that after pandemic it has created a pattern. It has created a pattern before also, but that is an 8-year pattern. But I am telling you this particular pattern, this is a 2-year pattern. After that, this is a particular 8-month pattern. Okay, I have to explain you this because you have to understand how the gold is moving. Okay, if you are trading intraday, then also you have to understand how this pattern is moving, okay, with the highs and lows. Okay, what people do is they trade with their full capital, and that is where they lose the money because the leverage is so high that you cannot sustain for about $50 movement also. Okay, so you have to understand how to strategize your trade, when to take huge quantity, when not to take huge quantity. Okay, and how much part of capital you should trade with for a particular trade. This is all what I teach in my workshop. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding and we can work on it. See, this is a 2 years pattern. After that, this is a 8-month pattern. These patterns are similar. If you look at this particular, how a U pattern is forming, after there is a downfall. If you look at this particular, a U pattern is forming, after that there is a downfall. Okay, and then upside we have seen. In the same way, if you look at a normal small pattern, this is also created the same path. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that after this U pattern, what we have seen, it made a fall and after that there is a rise. Oh, after making this particular high for around $2080, which I have already explained in my previous video. If you have checked my video, I have already explained you that these are the two resistance. Okay, so for the third time it hit this particular. So I have already told you that if the price comes close to a level of $2069, it can move upside, and it has already made a high around $2080. If you have seen my previous video, you would have made a good profit. Okay, some of my clients have made a very good profit. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is a downtrend continuously, but for this particular day we have seen it is for 3 days we have seen it is moving in a zone, and for this particular day it is forming a green candle. So suppose if this level sustain, because it already at a strong support, so we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, so chances are high if this level sustain, it can move towards a level of around $1957. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that level, then chances of going towards a level of around 1965 will be there. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above 1965, then you can say that yes, a probability is very high, it can cross a level of 1974. This 1974 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can go further upside, and a probability is very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $1982. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability is very high it can cross a level of around 1987, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it can touch that particular zone and can touch a level of around $1995. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, it can go further upside because there will be a trend breakout, as you can see. So once it sustain above 1995, then yes, a probability is very high it can go further high. There can be a sharp rise comes if a trend breaks. You have to understand, not that big sharp rise, but yes, if a trend breaks upside or downside, then there can be a movement. Okay, a good movement. Okay, and that good movement depends on the volatility for that particular day. Okay, so I teach how to judge that particular volatility. Okay, so if you want to attend workshop, mail me regarding and we can work on it, the timings. See, suppose if it goes above 1995, then chances of touching a level of $2001 is there, and then further upside if the price sustain. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain. Okay, it cannot make a sharp rise or sharp fall till the time there is no big news is coming. Otherwise, how it moves, it follow hold for some time, that is how it moves, and hold for some time, that how it comes down. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further low towards a level of $1951. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular zone, then we can see it can touch a level of around 1942. Okay, and if the price fall below 1942, then chances of going towards a level of 1932 is there. Okay, once the price fall below 1942, chances are very high that it can go further down, and a probability of going below a level of 1934 is there. Okay, and then we can see it can go further low, and a probability is that we can see a level of $1920. If the price fall below $1920, chances of touching a level of 1916 is there. If the price fall below that particular zone, then yes, a higher chances of going towards a level of 1897 is there. Keep that in mind. This is the zone. Once it break this particular zone, chances of going towards 1934 will be there, and from there we can see a level of 1920 to a level of around 1914. And if that price fall below 1914, then chances of touching 1894 is there, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards 1885. Okay, and if the price fall below 1885, then chances of going towards 1870 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. There will be a trend breakout if the price fall below 1900, so keep that in mind. If the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.